Hi there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. I'm excited to be working with Obziy to help them launch their new DTF printer. So let's get started. As I mentioned, Obziy is the sponsor of this video. They sent me the new DTF printer to try out, and I'm excited to share with you everything that I know about it so far. In this video, I'll be sharing my hands-on experience with this DTF printer. We will not be spending a lot of time looking at the technical specifications, but I will be sure to link everything that you need to know below. To give you a little bit of background, Obziy is an up-and-coming brand, and I had the pleasure of meeting with them at the CES conference over in Las Vegas earlier this month. I was able to get a first-hand overview of their new machine, as well as some of the other products that are coming to the market soon. There are two versions of this printer on the market. One is a Pro version and one is a standard version. I was able to get my hands on the standard version, so let's get into it. Both printers were launched earlier this month along with their full ecosystem that they created for the DTF printer. They launched it on Kickstarter, but will be also launching it on their website very soon. The DTF printer will arrive at your door with everything you need all in one crate. There's no need to be afraid with this DTF printer. The setup is super easy. All you have to do is follow the quick start tutorials that are available on the website, which also includes an unboxing video. The video walks you step by step on all the things that you need to do to get set up quickly. Once you have your printer set up and out of the box, all you need to do is add ink, set up the paper film roller, and also add your moisturizing liquid. There are also videos on the website to show you how to download and install the software needed to get started. I was able to get everything from start to finish set up and ready to go in less than 1 hour. All the videos were very easy to understand, included captions and all the instructions needed. For my first print, I decided to create a school bag that says first grade. I picked this image because there was lots of details in the image and lots of bright colors. If you're not familiar with DTF, you need to know that the ink will be wet once it's printed, and then after it's printed, you need to apply some DTF powder, and then you'll need to cure it with an oven. And then after that point, you can go ahead and press it on your garment. Obziy has created an all-in-one DTF printer system that includes this oven and powder curing system. This product was not available for me to try out, but I did receive the heat press and the curing oven. Now let's go over some highlights. As I mentioned before, the very first thing that I was impressed with was the easy setup. Here is a detailed look of everything that you receive in the crate with the printer. Don't let this list intimidate you. Everything is very easy to set up. The only thing you actually have to do is add ink and set up your roller for the film, and then add some moisturizing liquid like I mentioned earlier. But it's important to state that they give you everything you need to be well equipped for your whole DTF printing experience. Now let's talk about the maintenance. There is a moisturizing fluid that you do need to replenish. This helps prevent any clogging in your machine. You do not need to have your printer set up to your computer 24/7, but you do have to have it turned on to allow the auto mixing of the white ink. And when you're not using your printer, if you're going to be gone for an extended period of time, it does have a vacation mode, which is very handy. Another feature I really like about this printer is its compact footprint. It's very small. It's about 30 inches wide, and it looks great in my craft room. The colors are amazing. It blends in well, and it's not an eyesore at all. Another feature that I really like is the interactive display. It is touchscreen, so it's very user-friendly and easy to navigate. When I'm looking at printers of any kind or any kind of equipment, I always want to know how loud it is. This printer isn't very loud, it's not disruptive, and it quietly works in the background. And another feature, last but not least, is the customer service. Obziy lists several ways that you can contact them to get some customer service if you need help. You can visit their website to get in contact with somebody to help you, as well as downloading any kind of manuals that you need. Okay, let's check out this print. Another feature that I didn't mention earlier is it does have a built-in cutter, and it's very smooth and it cuts like butter. Obziy really thought about the whole customer experience. They even gave you a container that you can fill up with the DTF powder so that you can properly apply the powder to your print. As a side note, you want to make sure you're always wearing protective gear, so you'll want to make sure you have a mask while you're using the DTF powder and while you're curing the powder in the oven. You will want to make sure that you use the Obziy brand of DTF powder and ink to get the results that I'm sharing with you today. So that the ink will actually adhere to your garment, we need to apply this DTF powder. So you apply it lightly dusted onto your print, shake off the excess, and then now we're going to move over to the oven and cure it. If you don't have an oven to cure it, you can also place it under a heat press. But for the oven, we actually use it for 120 seconds, which is 2 minutes, at 125 degrees Celsius. When you're curing the DTF powder, you want to make sure that it has kind of a gloss at the end when you're done. It's hard to see it in the video, but this did it perfectly. Now to move on to the actual pressing of the garment, we're going to be pressing this onto a canvas tote bag. I'm going to use the Obziy heat press, which is the very first industry heat press that is made for DTF. It's all pre-programmed for DTF pressing. All you have to do is prep your garment. I pre-pressed it and I also used a lint brush. And also you want to use the preset for the DTF that's on the machine. One of the features I like most about this heat press is the arm does move out of the way. It does go 360 degrees all the way around. That way you have plenty of space to apply your DTF without the risk of getting burned. The preset is already set with your temperature, time, and pressure needed for DTF pressing. But of course, you can adjust any of those things for other applications like HTV and sublimation. The heat press also includes a Teflon sheet for you to cover over your DTF print, and we just press this for 20 seconds at 300 degrees. Once the press is cooled, you go ahead and remove the film to reveal the design. I always like to add another press at the end, and I press it again with the Teflon sheet for about 5 to 7 seconds, just to make sure that the DTF film adheres to the fabric. And that's it. Super easy from start to finish, from printing to curing to pressing. We have a completely made first grade tote bag here. It feels amazing. The colors are great and the clarity is perfect. One of the first questions I get is, how does it feel? It feels very soft, it's pliable, and it doesn't feel heavy at all. The colors are bright and the clarity is crisp. If you're in the market for a DTF printer, I encourage you to check out the Obziy website. Check out all the specifications and offers they have available. And if you have any questions, also comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more. Thanks for watching.